Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch with the Boat Crest app. First, ensure both your smartwatch and smartphone have a full charge to avoid interruptions during the setup process. Next, download and install the Boat Crest application from your device's app store onto your smartphone. Finally, activate Bluetooth on both your smartwatch and your smartphone, as this wireless technology is essential for establishing the initial connection between the two devices. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth pairing experience. Now that your devices are ready, open the Boat Crest app on your smartphone. Navigate to the Devices or Settings menu, which is usually found through an icon resembling a gear or 3 horizontal lines. Within this section, you will find an option to add new device. Select this, and then choose Smartwatch from the list of available device types. Your smartphone will then begin actively searching for nearby smartwatches that are in pairing mode, preparing for the next step in the connection process. Once your smartwatch appears in the list of discovered devices within the Boat Crest app, tap on its name to initiate the connection. You might see a unique pairing code displayed on both your smartwatch screen and your smartphone. Carefully confirm that these codes match exactly before proceeding. Finally, the app will prompt you to grant necessary permissions, such as access to location or health data. Accepting these permissions is vital for the Boat Crest app to fully utilize your smartwatch's capabilities and provide a rich user experience. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, don't worry. A common solution is to simply restart both your smartwatch and your smartphone, then attempt the pairing steps again. For the best and most stable connection, always keep your smartwatch and smartphone within a close proximity, ideally within 10 meters or about 33 feet of each other. Remember to regularly check for and install updates for both the Boat Crest app and your smartwatch's firmware, as these updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.